Hello friends, welcome to Flick Tales. Today I'm gonna share with you story of Jurassic World Dominion. Released in 2022, it is an American science fiction film. The film is set 4 years after events of Fallen Kingdom, with dinosaurs now living alongside humans around the world. It follows Owen and Claire as they embark on a rescue mission while Alan Grant and Ellie Sattler reunites with Malcolm to expose a conspiracy by the genomic corporation Biosyn. Jurassic World and Fallen Kingdom Hindi explanation is in description box. Movie begins 4 years after the Lockwood Estate incidents and the cataclysmic volcanic eruption on Isla Nublar. The extinct dinos freely roam the earth, causing ecological disasters. Amid global efforts to control the invasive species, Biosyn established a dinosaur preserve located in Dolomite Mountains, Italy, where they conduct genomic research, ostensibly seeking groundbreaking pharmacological applications. Claire, Zia, and Franklin are still with the Dinosaur Protection Group and investigate illegal dinosaur breeding sites, while Claire's boyfriend Owen works as a wrangler relocating stray dinosaurs. At their remote cabin in the Nevada mountains, Claire and Owen secretly raises 14 years old Maisie Lockwood, Benjamin Lockwood's biogenetic granddaughter, while protecting her from the people who seek Maisie's unique makeup. When Blue, the velociraptor that Owen raised, arrives with its asexually reproduced hatchling, Maisie names it Beta. Having grown increasingly frustrated living in seclusion, Maisie sneaks away. Dogson henchmen kidnap her and captures Beta. Owen and Claire immediately launch a rescue effort. Elsewhere, swarms of giant locusts are decimating crops. Paleobotanist Dr. Ellie Sattler observed that corporate-grown crops using Biosyn seeds left uneaten, raising suspicions they created the insects. Ellie takes a captured locust to her former partner, paleontologist Dr. Alan Grant. They determine the locust was genetically engineered with Cretaceous period dinosaur DNA and contemporary migratory locusts. Meanwhile, Franklin, now with CIA's Dangerous Species Unit, informs Claire and Owen that Maisie and Beta were likely taken to Malta. Upon arrival, they infiltrate a dino black market, accompanied by Owen's former Jurassic World colleague Barry, who works for French intelligence and is leading a raid. Carnivorous dinos unleashed during foray, causing havoc. With Barry's help, they learn that Maisie and Beta transported to Biosyn. Sympathetic cargo pilot Kyla agrees to fly them there. Dr. Malcolm, now working for Biosyn, has sought Ellie's help to expose CEO Dr. Dodgson. After communications, Director Ramsey warned him of Dodgson's illegal activities. Dodgson is exploiting dinosaur genetics, including having Dr. Henry Wu modify the transgenic locust to avoid Biosyn crops to control the world's food supply. Wu now denounces this plan, citing it would cause global famine as the locusts spread unchecked. Wu meets Maisie and explains that her former colleague Dr. Charlotte Lockwood, Benjamin Lockwood's deceased daughter, used her own DNA to reproduce to the genetically identical Maisie. Charlotte altered Maisie's DNA to prevent her inheriting the fatal disease she had. Wu believes that Maisie and Beta's asexual conceptions, along with their DNA, are the key to creating a pathogen to halt the locust outbreak. A Quetzalcoatlus attacks Kyla's plane in Biosyn's airspace, causing Owen and Kyla to crash land while Claire escapes via ejection seat. Following separate encounters with Therizinosaurus, Pyroraptors, and Dilophosaurus, the three regroups. Inside Biosyn, Malcolm Ramsey guides Ellie and Alan on how to access a restricted lab to obtain a locust DNA sample. While there, they encounter Maisie, who wants to leave with them. Discovering the breach, Dodgson incinerates the locust to destroy evidence, but they get loose, sparking a forest fire and forcing a site-wide evacuation. Alan, Ellie, and Maisie barely escapes the facility before finding Malcolm. They then meet Owen, Claire and Kyla. Ramsey later joins them while Dodgson flees with Dino's embryos via Hyperloop, but the latter becomes trapped in a tunnel and killed by 3 Dilophosaurus. Electronic neural implants summon the dinos to protect them from the fire. While Owen locates and tranquilizes Beta, the group along with Wu escapes in a Biosyn helicopter amid a battle between a Giganotosaurus, the Therizinosaurus, and the first park's veteran Tyrannosaurus. Ellie and Alan rekindle their relationship before testifying alongside Malcolm and Ramsey against Biosyn. Owen, Claire and Maisie returns home and reunites Beta with Blue. Henry Wu develops and releases a pathogen to eradicate the locusts. Around the world, dino adapt to a new coexistence with human while the United Nations declares Biosyn Valley International Dinosaur Sanctuary. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more such videos.